1971 bishiwo bat hani shenkra rock jobawo Pakistan non mission kha te bat hani mu kusu khlagya o shallo mutu khlawi BSF 130 battalion ni bakhakte Bilenia Rajnagar Vision Choba Center ni chot khola amchayo bat Bangladesh motri eco park ko kaisa panda khlaye thik tha thne ro no borom rakha o pandawa manja phaike BSF ni IG Sushan Nath Bangladesh ni first secretary assistant high commissioner Asadul Jamal South Hangkoni Hangkotang phang devo period pordono khube kubun nograi ro phungni damchiwo chut khola remchuni ringnok ni nokhlawo helicopter bai pandani nograi okra BSF ni IG Sushan Nath ankhor phaikya bono khumtho bai lamsogoi nakha chut khola remchuni ringnok ni ringsringnai ro
all kinds of material as well as moral support in order to ensure the success of the liberation struggle which culminated on 16th of December 1971. It is indeed heartening to note that for last 50 years this day is being celebrated by both India and Bangladesh jointly as their victory day or Vijay Diwas. You'll hardly find any country in the world where the Independence Day of another country is being celebrated on the lands of one country. As you all might be aware, this Indo-Bangladesh Maitri Park was also established in the year 1917 by the highest leadership of both India and Bangladesh to commemorate the victory and valor of the brave soldiers and the freedom fighters from both the sides. Where we are gathered today to celebrate this 50th anniversary of Bangladesh Liberation War victory. It truly signifies as the symbol of our strong friendship. So today is the time for all of us present here to take a place to contribute in our own ways to further strengthen on completion of 50th year of liberation of Bangladesh from Pakistan. All of us know India and Bangladesh have always enjoyed a very amiable and cordial relationship. We share a common social, cultural and ethnical relationship. The genesis of this bonding goes back to the days of our freedom movement when we jointly fought. The ethnic lineage of the population on both sides of the border, particularly in Tripura and West Bengal, are similar and common. The same language and dialect as well as the accent is reciprocated on both the sides. Over the years, efforts have been made which has paid rich dividend in strengthening our ties. In cultural and socio-economic sphere, the writers, authors, music composers, painters and other intelligentsia in general from both the countries have played a significant role in developing the platform for making a common Bengali heritage and culture in this region. The trade ties, there are limitless opportunities for both the countries in enhancing the ties in trade and commerce. Overall, I find the general atmosphere for developing good friendly relationship and growing together between the two countries is very encouraging. Both India and Bangladesh are also very friendly international countries and in international arena, and particularly in South Asian neighborhood. And they share a huge boundary line which is one of the most peaceful in the neighborhood of South Asia. During the last 50 years, our relationship, we have heard many treaties of friendship and cooperation and peace, which has been signed. And it started with the most important and most popular Indira Mujib Treaty of 1971. And now, in the recent years, the historic land boundary agreement signed in 2015 has again opened a new era in the relationship and given a full stop to many small irritants on land issues. We share many mutually agreed common stand on various international platforms like SAARC countries, Commonwealth of Nations and United Nations. Overall, we can boast for our commonalities and mutual trust. In this backdrop of the very beautiful present scenario, let me take you back to the days of Indo